start now. Is YouTube bad or YouTubers are lying? Or should I say YouTube is hard and YouTubers are lying? And everybody have tried these YouTube tricks, YouTube tips, something like turn this on, turn this off. If YouTube is recommending your video, do this. If YouTube is recommending your video, do that. And we are all tired of it. There is nobody that does not know all these things. YouTube tricks or tips. Is it playlist? Is it end screen? Is it hashtag? Is it keywords? Is it thumbnail? Is it thumbnail and title? And many more. We all know them. Turn this, turn that. Now it does not even work again. What do you think we should do as YouTubers now? Most YouTubers are lying. Yes. And it's so annoying. Most YouTubers are lying. I repeat again. Because when you check most of their viral videos are low. It's not their video that's going viral. Yes. See, let me tell you, YouTube is luck. Grace of God is what is working on YouTube. Unless you're a big celebrity, you're coming from on social media, you can never predict your viral video. Yes. Because you just see a YouTuber post a video that get 1,000 subscribers in 1 hour, get 1,000 subscribers in 6 minutes, get 1,000 subscribers. And those parties, the same way they say get 1,000 subscribers in 6 minutes, you don't even get 1,000 subscribers. Or they say get 1,000 subscribers, you don't even get 1,000 subscribers. You know what is annoying currently on YouTube right now is that there are so many teachers right now. Like everybody just say waiting they don't even know. Some people don't even they do research. Some people just say, if YouTube is a comedy video, go and turn this on. All these YouTube tricks and things does not work again. YouTube is low. YouTube say no say your viral video is unknown to you. Your viral video might be your 18th video. It might even be your 100 and something video. It might even be your 300 and something video. You can't predict your video. Now what is raining now on YouTube is WhatsApp group, Telegram group. You just somebody. Next thing, they have created WhatsApp group. They are doing so for sub. They will say, do it right here. Watch somebody videos to the end though. For how long I beg? For how long? Tell me, how long? Some people are just doing that group based on say, let me watch this person video, maybe and watch my own back. Let me watch this person video, so they watch my own back. And you will now monetize finish. Let me tell you what to do next. What to happen next. See, some people will not continue that watch my video, I watch your video forever. Some people will be like, oh my don't tire after this, and some point some people will back off. Yes. Not that even funny is somebody went to go and screenshot Vice Sonia post. She said, she charge more than anything, okay, nigga, no. How would you charge $10 for a day? $50 for 1 day? Kinekon no for a day. 2 weeks charge. Kinekon. See now, see what she wants. See. She wants to make money outside YouTube. That is the real truth. You charge 1 day tutorial, 2 days tutorial, 1 week tutorial, 2 weeks tutorial. But whatever you do on YouTube, there is free video. You calm down. You watch videos to learn. You can't pass through shortcuts. Miss looking at it too. See, I want to tell you, whatever you do on YouTube, there is free videos on YouTube. It's not compulsory to pass through shortcuts. Shortcuts are dangerous. Yes. You don't want to grow your channel. If you grow your channel through sub for sub, by the time those sub for sub people stop watching your video, believe me, all your videos will stop getting views. It's not like it's the truth. Yes. Because it's those ones that they watch last that you will get view last. I'm telling you simple, I can't lie to you. Yes. The remaining ones that you post, if you not share to the WhatsApp group, something like this, all this WhatsApp group, I see it. I won't mention name. I won't mention name of the group. You know. Let me tell you one truth is. So all those people in this WhatsApp group, some don't even like your content at all. Yes. Let me be honest, some don't even like content. They don't like it. They will not tell you honest truth. It's someone like us that will tell you honest truth because we are not in for so I will tell you. They don't like your content at all and they will not tell you your mistake, they will not tell you your error. They will just watch so that you have to watch it. They'll be like, let me just watch this person video now. I'm not help watch so that I can watch my own back. See. I even saw someone posted 1 hour video. Say waiting. You want to beat watch hour? You posted 1 hour video. Well, you beat it. You monetize. When it's time for that $100 subscriber, $100 to video first on YouTube, you will not only struggle. You will be slow like snail, eh? Because so for some people, then go they skip that ad like mad. But anyways, mostly they watch am sha, and not want to talk anything. So another thing that is quietly annoying me going on YouTube is this small YouTuber gather here, let's connect, vibes for vibes, many things. You see so many people comment, they don't even comment sensible things again. That's the thing they comment, small YouTubers, let's connect, vibes for vibes, many things. Sensible comment not even taken for YouTube. See, if you go through my channel, you can never see anybody write small YouTuber, let's connect. Because what I don't believe in it and I don't allow it. See, I'm not saying I'm proud, I'm this thing. No, I'm not proud. I'm just trying to spill where there is bad. Let's go bad. Let's call a spade a spade. Stop for stop, Elio. I'm warning you people. Stop for stop. Stop it. Because it's going to damage your channel. What I would advise anyone currently on YouTube, like everyone on YouTube, learn to pray to God. It's the one that will give you that viral video idea. It might even be the video that you least expect. Yes. And one secret is learn how to work on your video. Some people's videos are bad. Also for some people will not tell you. Your videos are bad. Some of you, your audio quality is bad. Most people say you don't even have mic. Use a very silent area where echoes will not enter your video. Some people title and thumbnail is bad too. And you don't know title and thumbnail is very important. Title and thumbnail is very important. See. And again, I want you to know the first 3 seconds of your video, it matters a lot. See, work on your video, audio, and video all quality. Work on your video and audio quality. Let me see something. He who has ear, let him hear. I want to put that down. And what? Just be patient. Your real organic subscriber will come your way. The ones that will comment sensible comments. The ones that will watch your videos from the beginning to the end. The ones that will add to your channel. See, I want to say what? I rest my case on this matter of so small YouTuber gather here. Even now, stream no dey work again. I never see anything for this YouTube. Now where they pass shortcut. Na no go listen. Na go see shege. See, I don't want to really talk much on this thing because yeah, I'm too pissed off. But anyway, see you in my next video. I hope you were able to find this video. I hope you learned something from this video. So see you in my next video. I am Boluvibes. Bye bye.